Just everything that you did, I needed. Fiverr, Upwork, so I hadn't did anything. And I kind of, even with Facebook and adding the photos, I finished up Fiverr last night. So I'm just, because of the way I work and up in, West Tennessee and out of town and come back, everything that you did, I mean, seriously, I got it all right here. The posting schedule, I needed all of that personally, but so that's the reason I said for me, is everything that you did, because I have hands off on everything that you taught.
I will definitely say that thanks to you, Earl, I have so many tabs up sitting up here with stuff for me to do and to come back to, and I've created my checklist, and you've given me the homework to put to work. And like I said, as a testament, as of last night, I've actually been able to pull the trigger on a lot of stuff that I've been holding back on. And I'm very happy to have taken this course, because it's definitely given me the groundwork and shown me how much more behind the scenes that has to be done just to make this work. And I've taken this course, I've taken a couple of other courses, but this one is the one that I'm definitely focusing on, because it's a business that I want to really get off the ground and be successful with. And with your help, this has definitely given me like I said, the framework that I need to do. And I've made a lot of good accomplishments from this, and I thank you very much.
The most impactful thing, one of the most things, was this is a business first. Okay, you can learn, you can tweak your voice, you can get the right equipment and everything, but you got to keep in mind it's a business first, and you have to act accordingly. And with that comes with learning your craft, learning your equipment, and you touched on that. You hit it on the head. Now, having said that, everything you've shown, I've done, but it wasn't right. I've created the YouTube video. I went into Fiverr on my own, trying to do the profiles, which weren't right, Upwork, all that. So you enhanced all of that, and you showed me the inner workings of these things, where I just did the surface. So, I really know. And this last one, especially this last one, which I really wanted to get, was doing the shorts and the Capoein, man, that set it off. I'm using Capoein for now. I've used Canva, where I put in the music and then I faded it out. They use it, but the steps to do that were numerous, okay, just to get that little small thing done. But this, and you showed me all this, so yeah, great job, keep it up. I know you will.
I really, really needed this course, and that's all the details that you have given. I've gone through, I would keep going in, and I downloaded all the pages, printed them out, and I'm still kind of stuck in Fiverr and Upwork, but that's just all the technical. I get stuck in the making of and the audio. I have said, like something, deleted all my commercial demo that I put together, so I have to redo that, and I've done a couple of things, but I'm getting closer to getting everything up there. And this has been very, very helpful for me. And I love it how you would go in and, like, when we have questions, you'll just let me just show you, and you just bring it up and show us exactly step by step. Because I particularly learn by watching. I have to see the steps, because just explaining it sometimes just doesn't get it for me. I'm sorry. Thank you. Time I've been wondering how to put these videos together, and just going step by step like that today even was just really, really helpful. I really appreciate it.
Where do I begin? This has been an awesome experience, fabulous experience. And I learned so much, Earl. You have taught me that actually the things that I thought I knew and found out I didn't know, which was really big for me. And being able to go through the recordings, to be present in this session, to listen to others, to watch the way that you broke down things so patiently so that we could understand it, and then to make it available so that we could have it for literally for life. It's a constant reference. And the way that I do this, I come and listen, and then I go back to the videos. And I listen piece by piece and then try to apply it. But so much more than that. I mean, there's so much technical that you gave us. This tapping is like just perfection. Okay, now I have to go back and practice and really learn it, but it's perfection. I got lost along the way. I'm not kidding. I got through Fiverr, I got through Upwork, then I got through Upwork, and I got a message that nothing was accepted, and it was just craziness. And I know at points I became very discouraged, actually, but then I would come back and I would listen and I would say, okay, you can do it. But what I learned a lot too, and I think it's part of having a business, the business aspect of it, is that I don't have it all together. I don't have it all together. I would think accordingly, okay, I'm at this age, I should have it all together, but I didn't, and learning that things about myself as a voiceover artist. The fact that I can lose faith in myself very quickly, that I can become discouraged when things just disappear. And that's why I so much appreciated Penny sharing the fact that she had made her demo and it disappeared on her. You know, this is more than what people talk about. People talk about voiceovers as if you walk up in front of a mic and you become a voiceover artist. Oh my gosh, that's we have a voice, how we use it, that's something else, but it's all the backbone of creating this business. That is just like, some days it's like, seriously, what did I ask for? And yet you've delivered so overwhelmingly. You more than delivered. This course was worth far more, far more. I don't think you can put a dollar value on it, because it's been you, it's been what you presented, it's been everybody who's been involved, everybody who's shared their ups and downs and misgivings, you know, and just trying to grow things. Earl, thank you. You are a marvel in this industry. And I'm saying that. I just want to make a point of reference. I came into voiceovers when I was still living in Chicago, and I had a radio background. And the person that I went to the first time to take a voiceover class utterly discouraged me. Utterly discouraged me, wiped me off the face of the earth. And I think that that's why it took me so long to finally regain that confidence. And you have helped me to do that. So I'm not going to do Penny. I'm close, but I'm not going to do Penny. But like, thank you. This has been awesome. And I would suggest to anybody that I know of who wants to do voiceover, I'm directing them to you. I would not direct them to anybody else. I would not direct them to anyone else. You are a marvel in this industry. You really are. You are God's blessing.